Alright, today we're going to do section 7.5, apply properties of logarithms. So, just take the stuff that you know already about logarithms and we're just going to apply properties. Now, if you know logarithms, I told you they are basically exponents. So what they have is they have exponent characteristics. You'll see what I mean by that in a second. Here's what you need to know. Three properties. Number one, product property. If you have log base b of m times n, then what you can do is you can split these up. Log base b of m plus log base b of n. Now, you would think, okay, it's times here, so why isn't it times here? Well, these, remember, logs are exponents. So really, if you're multiplying, if you think about it this way, a log is an exponent plus an exponent. When do you ever add exponents? When you were multiplying, right? So that's the idea here. So add them up here. Obviously, the second one, quotient property. If you're dividing log base b of something dividing, then you subtract these two, log base b of the top minus the log base b of the bottom n. And lastly, there's a power property. Basically, if you have log base b of m to some power, all you do is put the power out front, right here. You multiply it, okay? So I'll give you some examples of that. Actually, why don't we do that right beside here? Log base b of 5x, there you go, of mn equals the log base, actually I should have gave this a number, I'll say 6, there you go. Log base 6 of 5, they're multiplying, so I'm going to say plus log base 6 of the other one, x. There you go. Next one, log base 5 of, we'll say x divided by 2. So this is equal to log base 5 of the top, which is x, minus log base 5 of the bottom, which is 2. Last one, log base 5 of m to the n, so 2 to the third. This is equal to, all you do is take the exponent and you pull it out front. So 3 log base 5 of 2. There you go. Those are those three properties right here. We're going to use those properties right now in these examples. Here we go. Example number 1. They're telling you that the log base 4 of 3 is about 0.792. And the log base 4 of 7 is about 1.404. Now look at this right here. What could we do? We have the log base 4 of a quotient. Knowing that property I just showed you, you can split the quotient up. Log base 4 of the top, which is 3, minus log base 4 of the bottom, which is 7. Now, actually it says to evaluate, meaning find the answer to this. It didn't just say split it up, it wants the answer. So, do you know log base 4 of 3? Yes, it's right here, 0.792, so replace it, 0.792 minus log base 4 of 7, which is right there, 1.404. Then all you have to do is type those two numbers in your calculator, hit enter, you're done. Okay, so the answer will be right there. Negative 0.612. Okay, next one. Use the same things up here for this one. Log base 4 of 21. Okay, well, how do you do that? You don't see 5x here. You don't see anything to split up. Well, 21, you can split up 21 however you want. 1 times 21. Or the only other option is 3 times 7. And look up above. 3 and 7. So this is the same as log base 4 of 3 times 7. That's your m times n. Whenever you're multiplying, you're really adding the logs together. Log base 4 of 3 plus log base 4 of 7. There you go. All you have to do now is substitute. Log base 4 of 3 is 0.792. Put that here. Plus log base 4 of 7 is right here. Add those two numbers together. Got your answer. So I'll just show you what they put. exactly what I put. Add those two up, substitute, and then got your answer, 2.196. Okay? Any questions? Too bad. I can't answer them. Okay? Come in. Here we go. Alright, last one in example 1. Log base 4 of 49. Actually, a couple ways you could do this. You could say log base 4 of 7 times 7. Sure, that's fine. Or log base 4 of 49 is the same as 7 squared. Either one you go with doesn't matter. Probably a little easier to do it this way, but let's do it both ways. Log base 4 of, so this one simplifies. Log base 4 of 7 plus log base 4 of 7, and which equals this plus itself, 1.404 plus 1.404, which would be the same thing as doing this over here. Now, see, remember this has an exponent. Remember the rule, you pull the exponent out to the front. So 2 times log base 4 of 7, which it means 2 times this is equal to 1.404, which is going to give you the same answer as this over here. Okay, so type that in your calculator, find your answer. What is that? We can do that real quick. 2.808. 2.808. Either way, please know both methods. Okay, so there it is. Properties of logarithms, those three.